Welcome to 20 Microns Limited, micronized minerals leader with A+ stable by CRISIL. Since 1987, we have delivered engineered mineral solutions to industries across the globe. Over 3 decades, our growth has been driven by innovation, integration, and long-term partnerships. With a strong pan-India presence, we ensure supply reliability and raw material control. We are exporting to over 83 countries, supported by Malaysia operations and global partnerships. Our group includes 4 subsidiaries and strategic joint ventures, including Sievert, Germany. Our key group companies include 20 Microns Nanominerals, Minford, 20 MCC, Hanhe, and Silcoal. 11.3 million tons of mining reserves span key locations.
Sirohi for high-quality calcite, Bhilwara for quartz, Bhuj for superior China clay, Vadodara for dolomite, Tirunelveli for rich limestone, Anantapur for premium talc and dolomite deposits, and Malaysia for high-grade limestone. Our growth strategy is clear and focused, driven by strategic acquisitions, including the Malaysia limestone assets, global joint ventures like Sievert and Dorfner partnerships, and a shift toward high-value functional additives.
Innovation remains central to our approach, with 2+ DSIR recognized R&D centers enabling faster, customer-focused solutions. Provide solutions across paints, plastics, rubber, paper, ceramics, and construction, supporting diverse industrial applications with consistent performance. Our performance minerals calcium carbonate, talc and kaolin, plus mica, quartz and specialty additives for enhanced performance. Our paint market remains our largest end market, contributing nearly half of revenues, followed by plastics and rubber, highlighting the broad, diversified application base of our mineral solutions. Our total capacity is 4.5 LMT annually, including 1.8 LMT from Malaysia. We have strong control over captive mining resources, supported by 8 operational mines.
Over the financial year 2026, revenue stood at Rs 960 crore. Our EBITDA reached 123 crore, more than doubling over the past 6 years. In FY26, our PAT tripled, reflecting consistent profitability. Also, our earnings per share increased significantly, from 6.95 to 18.9 per share. Again, our net fixed assets expanded from 203 crore to 296 crore. Our ROCE remained strong, demonstrating efficient capital utilization. FY26 saw a significant increase in operating cash flow, alongside an improved net debt to equity ratio of 0.1, with a 5-year sales CAGR of 18%, with a profit CAGR of 23%.
Show healthy returns and consistent growth.
Our market capitalizing stand between 700 crore, indicating strong market positioning.
Our achievements reflect strong fundamentals, marked by an upgraded CRISIL A+ stable rating. Backed by globally recognized quality certifications, we ensure compliance, consistency, and customer trust. Our commitment to sustainability is further recognized through EcoVadis, reinforcing our focus on responsible and long-term growth.
Analyst estimates long-term enterprise value between 1,000 to 1,100 crore.
20 Microns Limited, engineered mineral solutions with scale, stability, and sustainability.